Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern fence designs with stone accents are explored, showcasing how these elements can transform your outdoor space. This video inspires you to create a beautiful and functional fence that complements your modern home's aesthetic. Welcome viewers and introduce the topic of modern fence designs with stone accents. Highlight the transformative power of these elements in creating beautiful and functional outdoor spaces. Briefly touch upon the benefits of modern fence designs, such as enhancing privacy, security, and curb appeal. Discuss the key characteristics of modern fence designs, such as clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and use of natural materials. Showcase examples of modern fence designs featuring stone accents, emphasizing the use of different types of stone and their visual impact. Provide insights into the benefits of incorporating stone accents, such as durability, low maintenance, and adding visual interest. Present a variety of inspiring modern fence design ideas featuring stone accents. Showcase different combinations of materials, colors, and textures to inspire viewers. Offer tips and suggestions on how to choose the right stone accent and design elements to complement the overall aesthetic of a modern home. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the benefits of incorporating stone accents into modern fence designs. Encourage viewers to explore different options and create a fence that meets their specific needs and aesthetic preferences. End with a call to action, inviting viewers to share their own modern fence design ideas in the comments section. A meticulously landscaped backyard scene. A white picket fence runs parallel to a light beige-gray stone pillar, bordering a well-maintained lawn. The fence is constructed of horizontal, evenly spaced slats, and the pillar is composed of irregular-shaped, light gray stones, creating a textural contrast against the smooth fence. A well-manicured flower bed, filled with a variety of vibrant purple and pink flowering plants, borders the fence, including small shrubs and other greenery. A light gray stone walkway separates the lawn from the planting beds. A mature, leafy tree is positioned near the left edge of the scene, casting a soft shadow across the grass. A modern, minimalist home facade with a warm, inviting entryway. The house features a dark gray metal exterior with horizontal wooden planks, creating a striking contrast with dark gray stone accents around the entrance. A dark gray stone pathway leads to a classic wooden front door. The landscaping is meticulously designed, showcasing a variety of greenery including vibrant red/burgundy colored maple trees, low-lying bushes, and decorative shrubs. Small, round, dark green hedges and red flowers are strategically placed around the pathway. The colors are rich and deep, warm browns of the wood, a dark gray palette, and bright, vibrant reds in the flowers. A modern, landscaped backyard garden, extending to a contemporary home. Impressionistic style, featuring a mix of gravel pathways, large flat stone pavers, and potted plants. Landscaping includes various greenery, shrubs, and a bonsai tree in the middle of the scene. The home's exterior is constructed from dark gray stacked stone, with horizontal wood siding. A covered patio area with dark metal frame is connected to the home. The path traverses through the garden, leading towards the house. The colors are muted greens, grays, browns, and hints of yellow from flowers. The lighting is natural daylight, casting soft shadows. Include a clear division between the garden and the house, with a wooden deck. A meticulously landscaped pathway garden, featuring a rust-colored metal fence/wall as a backdrop. The pathway is made of light gray flagstone pavers set on a bed of gray gravel. Bright orange and yellow flowers, various shades of green foliage, and a few large, gray rocks are strategically placed along the path and in the garden beds. The garden beds are bordered with a dark metal edging. A variety of plants are visible, including succulents, lavender-like plants, and flowering plants. A large, modern-style sign, "BHD Clap," is mounted on a wall of layered stone. A vibrant mix of textures and colors, with warm, earthy tones and pops of bright color. A pathway through a desert garden, impressionistic, leading to a vista of mountains. A gravel path winds between low stone walls, built with rounded, varying shades of brown, gray, and beige stones. The walls frame the path and create smaller garden beds. Vibrant orange wildflowers, California poppies, and other desert flora, like agave and various cacti, including barrel cactus and prickly pear, populate the beds and create a natural aesthetic. A wooden split-rail fence runs along the pathway horizon. A tall saguaro cactus stands prominently on the left side of the path entrance. The background displays a mountain range, light gray and blue, contrasted by a soft, diffused, partly cloudy sky. A serene, meticulously landscaped garden pathway. A paved walkway winds through a bed of dark, smooth river rocks. Low, lush green bushes and grasses line the path. A contemporary metal fence with a woven, natural wicker design made of tan brown and dark brown branches creates a backdrop. The fence is set against a blurred fall-colored autumnal background of trees and shrubs. Rocks are stacked in a zen-like arrangement along the pathway. The color palette is a muted mix of autumnal hues with rich browns and deep greens, and hints of yellow and orange leaves. Light gray paving stones make up the path. A weathered gray stone fence, with wooden posts, is adorned with vibrant autumnal foliage. Leafy vines, displaying shades of orange, red, yellow, and green, climb and cascade over the fence. The stonework has a textured, slightly rough appearance. Small, low-growing plants and greenery are nestled at the base of the fence, adding depth to the image. Dried autumn leaves litter the ground around the base of the fence. The background hints at a fall-colored landscape. Impressionistic, but with a touch of hyperrealism in the detail of the foliage and textures. Rustic garden setting, outdoor scene. Focus on the fence and the vibrant colors of the leaves. A narrow, paved walkway winds through a landscaped backyard in autumn. The walkway is composed of dark gray/black stone pavers, set on a bed of small, dark gray pebbles. Fall foliage, including vibrant oranges and reds, blankets the ground. Low-maintenance landscaping with various small shrubs and grasses, some with autumnal hues, adds depth and texture. A tall, black slatted fence runs along one side of the walkway, creating a defined space. The home's exterior is a modern, dark gray stone facade. The trees in the background exhibit fall colors of orange, red, and yellow. The overall aesthetic is modern, minimalist, and slightly moody, with a focus on textures and muted tones. A grand, ornate black wrought iron gate opens to a paved driveway, framed by meticulously landscaped stone pillars and vibrant autumn foliage. The stonework is light beige and gray, showcasing a mixed pattern of rectangular blocks. Tall, decorative lampposts with antique-style lanterns stand guard at either side of the gate, casting warm golden light on the scene. The gate itself is detailed with intricate, swirling designs in the same black wrought iron as the railings. The driveway is paved with a mix of brownish gray and dark gray paving stones. Landscaping includes small evergreen shrubs, other greenery, and flower beds edged by a dark border. A spacious, white farmhouse with a gray roof and dark gray shutters sits nestled within a landscape of rolling green hills. The house features a covered porch supported by pillars, and its facade is a mix of siding and stone. A crisp white wooden split rail fence surrounds the property, running parallel to the house. Lavender bushes line the grassy area beside the fence. The gravel driveway leads to the home. The sky is a light azure with fluffy white clouds. The overall style is a charming, idyllic farmhouse aesthetic. A modern, landscaped garden pathway leading to a contemporary house. A paved walkway, made of flat stones and small smooth stones, meanders through the garden, bordered by water features and plantings. A small stream or pond runs alongside the path, reflecting the surrounding plants and the house. The house has a dark gray exterior with wooden accents, and large windows that frame the autumn foliage. The landscaping includes various autumnal-colored trees and shrubs, with grasses and plants in warm tones like golds and oranges. The garden stones and the water are a dark gray/black. The image is hyperrealistic, focusing on exquisite detail, showcasing the textures and materials. A tranquil autumn garden path, leading to a contemporary black lattice fence. Hyperrealistic rendering. The path is composed of light brown and gray paving stones, with patches of moss-like greenery growing between them. Colorful fall foliage, including vibrant yellows, oranges, and reds, adorns the beds around the path. Flowering plants, like marigolds and chrysanthemums, are interspersed with various leafy greenery. A dark metal lattice fence, with a grid pattern, runs along the back of the garden. The fence's metal is a deep black, contrasting beautifully with the wooden supports. A gray stone wall, with varied textures and sizes of stones, extends from the fence, adding dimension and depth. A rustic log cabin nestled in an autumnal forest setting. Hyperrealistic, with a focus on natural detail. The cabin, with its dark wood siding and stone foundation, is situated on a gently sloping lawn. The foreground features a split rail fence made of dark, weathered wood, with a dry-laid stone wall behind it. The surrounding forest is vibrant with the colors of fall, featuring oranges, yellows, reds, and browns in the trees. Crisp, Clear light filters through the trees, creating soft shadows on the ground and highlighting the texture of the leaves. The foreground has a layer of fallen autumn leaves. The cabin has large windows, visible light inside, and a stone chimney. A modern home landscape with a tiered stone wall and steps. Impressionistic style with a focus on textures and color palettes. Dark gray and black stone walls form a retaining wall and steps that lead up to a contemporary modern house with large windows. Colorful autumnal foliage, various plants and flowers are arranged along the steps and retaining walls, including deep yellow, orange and red flowers, and lush green plantings. The landscaping showcases a mix of textures, from the rough stone to the soft foliage.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.